Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Gabby, and we are making DIY binoculars. This activity is intended for all ages. You will need the following materials for this activity. For today's activity, we're going to be needing 2 rolls of toilet paper, tape, scissors, markers to decorate, a piece of construction paper, any color of your preference, and 2 strings. We are going to start with the 2 rows of toilet paper and the tape. What we're going to be doing is putting tape around the toilet paper to put them together. And it's okay if it's not perfect because we're going to be covering this with construction paper. Now you're going to grab your piece of construction paper. We're going to fold the paper hot dog style, and then we're going to cut down the line. Grab your scissors and cut down the line in the middle. You would only need 1/2 of the construction paper, and this will go around your binocular. This is where your markers will come in handy. You can decorate your binoculars by drawing around this sheet of paper. So I will be drawing some flowers. Once I'm done with my drawing, I am going to grab my 2 strings and I'm going to tape them down before I tape down my beautiful artwork. So grab a piece of tape, and you can tape your string or ribbon inside. And you do the same with the other string. Now you take your picture. We're going to add tape right here, down the line. And it's going to go around. And we add tape. Good. And that's it. We have a pair of binoculars. And you can take them outside and discover a lot of wonderful things. If you would like to hang the binoculars around your neck, all you have to do is make a knot at the end, and that way they become hanging binoculars.
Thank you for joining Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your activity online and tag us using #ILoveHPO. See you next time!